Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, my name is Vicky and I love everything luxury. So today I will be making an unboxing of a brand new item, something that has been really hyped up and it released yesterday. So if you want to see what I got and my thoughts on it, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what I got. Here's the bag, and I was very surprised when I went to pick up this item to see that they still had the holiday bag. So I obviously got it. It's so cute. And let me get the box and open it so we can finally see what's in it. So here's the box right here, and now I'm gonna open the box so you can see right here. This is the receipt, and I'm gonna throw that in the bag because we don't need it right now. And here's the bag, and the bag that I got is and you probably, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what I got because I think I've been talking about it a lot with other people and different postings, so maybe you know. So the bag that I got is the right here, Onthego MM. So here it is. She is so pretty. Look at her. So many different details and so chic and trendy. So let me give you a little bit of the story behind this bag and why I got it. So initially I got the Onthego GM, and I'm gonna insert some pictures so you can have an idea why I didn't keep the GM. Although initially I loved it, I felt that it was too big for me. Although I travel quite a bit for work, I still don't feel that it will kind of like be the bag that I will use for travel. I love my Longchamp tote. That's the best bag for me to travel. So I didn't feel that it was a bag for me, especially because the bag was as big as my torso. So to me, if that, you know, is an indicator that the bag is going to take over you. So you want a bag to be an accessory. You don't want to be the star of the show. So that was already something that to me was like, okay, this is not gonna work for me. So I took it back. I knew that this was coming out, so I talked to my SM, and she said, yes, it's coming out. Pre-orders are being gonna be open soon. I'll let you know. And you know, she did within a few days. She texted me and she said, you know, I can place a pre-order for you, and we did it. And fast forward to a couple days ago, and she texted me and she said, your bag is ready, you can pick it up on Friday. You can't come before the release date, but Friday will be ready for you. So I went and picked it up, and here it is. So when I saw it, I thought that, you know, it was beautiful, and it is beautiful. I really loved it. So but before I tell you what are some of the deal breakers for me, I'm just gonna give you a small tour of the bag. So I'm going to put the measurements, you know, on the screen so you can have an idea. But again, this is the monogram side, the giant monogram side. This is the reverse monogram side, and then on each side you have the regular size monogram. I love how the handles alternate the print, so it's just a little pop of, you know, design right there. I love this little grommets, I think that's what they're called. I really like that they changed the design, because I think when they just released the Onthego GM, this was glazing, and I know that a lot of people had issues right away with it. Actually, I remember being at the store last month, and this lady was exchanging hers because it was just completely peeling off. So, and they gave her a new one right away. Obviously, Louis Vuitton, if there's something that you don't have to worry about, it is that they will take care of, you if the items is defective or has any issues. So it also comes with a beautiful red interior, so that is really, really cute. It has 2 pockets inside, so it has a little, let me just pull this out so you can see. So it has one pocket here, another one here, and then it had a zipper pocket. Let me see if I can open it right there. So it also comes with a little clasp closure, so you can close the bag like that, so you can have a little bit more security. The other thing that I like about this bag is that it's actually very light. The GM, I have to say, it was a little heavy, and even without the items inside. So I appreciate that this one, being that it's smaller, is lighter. One of the things that I'm hearing a lot is that this bag is comparable to the Neverfull MM. In my opinion, it's not. I wish I would have taken pictures because I compare, next to each other. There are similarities. However, I feel that this bag is something in between the PM, the Neverfull PM, and the MM. And I wish this bag was something between the MM and the GM, because it's still a little, it's still a tote, and you probably can carry a lot, but I think that it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. So that is not really the biggest deal breaker for me, because again, I'm not someone that likes big bags. So that I could live with the size, to be honest. The one thing that it was a completely deal breaker, and it's right here, the shoulder straps. Let me tell you why. Why did they make this beautiful bag with this short, in my opinion, shoulder strap? The drop on the GM is perfection. That's one of the things that I really, really appreciated. This one is just something that is not going to work for me, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna insert some mod shots so you can see. So, but here you can see, like, if I'm traveling or if I need to be arms free and I just want to, go like this, and you know what I'm talking about, when you just want to slide your bag, it's not easy to do. So look at this. I put it under my arm and it's just like right there. It's just maybe like about an inch, before it touches my armpit. So during summer, this is just something that, I don't know, it's not going to be comfortable. It comes out a lot because, again, this is a structure bag. So I appreciate the shoulder strap drop off the GM. This one, I wish that hopefully they listen, and maybe in the future they would make it with a longer strap. If that's the case, I'm all for it. Right now, unfortunately, she's going back home, and I hate doing that because, again, I don't like to be taking things back. But again, this is a huge investment, so it's not something that I want to have, in my collection sitting there and not being used. And matter of fact, when I went to pick up this bag, I was actually wearing this bag, and it dawned on me, here you go, and this is the bag that I'm currently wearing, is the flower tote. So when I put these two bags next to each other, I think that there are a lot of similarities. I mean, yes, there's a different print. The flower tote has compartment. This one doesn't. I actually appreciate this one. But still, I find myself carrying more than I usually carry, and it becomes kind of heavy. So I'm also looking maybe at parting ways with this bag. So I think that I might post it on the Facebook group, because it's in excellent condition. This is the third time that I use this bag. So, but let me show you if the items that I have in this bag fit here, and if this is heavier than this one. And I'm going to actually weight both bags after, and I'm just gonna insert the weight for each one so you can compare. So what I have on my flower tote is my cosmetic pouch. So I'm gonna put this here. So right there, so hopefully you can see. I have one mini pochette. I'm gonna put that in there too. I have another mini pochette. That one is gonna go there too, right there. What else I have? I have my Rosalie coin purse. This is what I use as a wallet. So I'm gonna put that in the other side. I have my sunglasses. These are the Key by Desi Perkins, one of my favorites. I have my 6-key ring pouch. That one is gonna go there. I also think I have something here in the middle compartment. Oh, I have my key pouch, and that one maybe fits in the little side pocket. Yes, it does. So I'll show you in a minute. What else do I have? Oh, I have my phone, and the phone doesn't fit. I mean, it would fit. This is an iPhone 8. No, actually an iPhone 10 regular. So, but I don't want to put it in the pocket. I'm just gonna put it in the side on this zipper pocket because I don't want to stretch it. And what else I have? I have some mint, and I have my car keys. So that's everything. Here's the flower tote, and I also want to show you the shoulder drop for each. See, this one is a little bit longer, easy to put under your arm. This one, like I said, is shorter. So I'm gonna put this back inside. And for some reason my hair today is all over the place, but we're not gonna worry about that now. So this is now the bag with all the items inside. Just gonna show you right there. Hopefully you can see. I have to say, I think this one is lighter than the flower tote. However, I don't know. Like I said, I have to check. One of the other concerns, again, I won't know that because I'm not going to be using this bag, is what happens, you know, like if you're in a hurry and you just start taking something, you know, see what happened already? The shoulder strap just comes out. So that's something that I don't know if those that have the on-the-go GM have the same issue, but something to keep in mind. So my final thoughts on this bag. It's a beautiful bag, beautiful print, beautiful craftsmanship, lots of great details, a lot of, I think it's almost like it is a carefree bag, to be honest, because one of the things that I appreciate is that you don't have corners. This is a rounded corner. You don't have glazing. You don't have vaquera that you have to worry about. So again, if this is something that you think would be good for you, go for it. If the shoulder drop doesn't bother you, I think that you're gonna love this bag. This bag was made in the US on week 41 of 2019, so they've been actually probably producing this for a while already. But you know, unfortunately she will be going back home, and we'll see, you know, what else, you know, is on my wish list. So hopefully you will stop by for my next unboxing. But before we finish this video, I have another unboxing, so I want to show you what else I got. So it's right here. in this smaller bag. This is not something that is like a crazy, you know, new item. This has been out for a long time, but it's a really hard to get item. Actually, I texted I don't know how many CAs. I cannot even remember. Obviously, I also texted my CA at my local boutique, and I told her that I wanted it, and she said, I'll let you know. And you know, fast forward again, and that was just about a week ago. Like 3 or 4 days later, she sent me a picture of this item, and I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. So here is the item. Just gonna stop talking and just, you know, I'm actually gonna show you. So the item that I got is the mini pochette in the damier azure. This baby is so hard to get, and the reason why is because according to many CAs, some say that it's not, but many are saying that this item is being discontinued. And not just this item, but this model or style in all prints. So what makes me very excited is that now I have the full family. So I have the trifecta, and right here you can see the 3 of them. And although, you know, I said I don't like to have the same item many times, when it comes to things like this, I really love it. I'm so bummed that I missed on the pochette accessories, because again, that one is another one that I want to have the trifecta. I have the one in the azure and the monogram, so I'm hoping to get one in the ebin. I'm constantly stalking Fashion File or resellers on Instagram so I can get this one, but I'm so excited that I was able to get this one, so just so happy. But that is it for today. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I wanted to just give you my thoughts and feedback on the on-the-go handbag. So unfortunately she's going to go back home, but she's staying. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love to see you here, and I can't wait to see you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.